Discover the names of animals and birds that begin with A. Let's go. Antelope. Antelope. Alligator. Alligator. Anaconda. Anaconda. Angelfish. Angelfish. Alpine ibex. Alpine ibex. Armadillo. Armadillo. Albatross. Albatross. Ant. Ant. Aardvark. Aardvark. Aardwolf. Aardwolf. Axolotl. Axolotl. Abyssinian. Abyssinian. Agouti. Agouti. Addax. Addax. Akita. Akita. Anole. Anole. Avocet. Avocet. Archerfish. Archerfish. Andean condor. Andean condor. Arabian horse. Arabian horse. Anemone. Anemone. Alpine ibex. Alpine ibex. Arapaima. Arapaima. Arctic fox. Arctic fox. Arctic hare. Arctic hare. Australian magpie. Australian magpie. Asian coal. Asian coal. African penguin. African penguin. Appaloosa. Appaloosa. Atlantic salmon. Atlantic salmon. American bison. American bison. Arabian oryx. Arabian oryx. Angora goat. Angora goat. Asian elephant. Asian elephant. African gray parrot. African gray parrot. Atlantic puffin. Atlantic puffin, American robin, American robin, Australian shepherd, Australian shepherd, African wild dog, African wild dog, Amazonian manatee, Amazonian manatee, Asiatic black bear, Asiatic black bear, African civet, African civet, Asian small-clawed otter, Asian small-clawed otter, Ashy starling, Ashy starling, Australian cattle dog, Australian cattle dog, Asian palm civet, Asian palm civet, albino python, albino python, African bullfrog, African bullfrog, Amazon parrot, Amazon parrot, Australian pelican, Australian pelican, American kestrel, American kestrel, Aplomado falcon, Aplomado falcon, albino rat, albino rat, American toad, American toad, Atlantic seahorse, Atlantic seahorse, Australian white ibis, Australian white ibis, American eel, American eel, Amazon tree boa, Amazon tree boa, Australian fur seal, Australian fur seal. Thank you for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe.